Hello everyone. Today I will show you the model of filtration of water. First of all, we will explain what is water treatment. Public drinking water systems use different water treatment methods to provide safe drinking water for their communities. Public water systems often use a series of water treatment steps that include coagulation, circulation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. These are the 5 methods by which water is treated and made safe for drinking. The first step is coagulation. What is coagulation? Coagulation is often the first step in water treatment. During coagulation, chemicals with a positive charge are added to the water. The positive charge neutralizes the negative charge of dirt and other dissolved particles in the water. When this occurs, the particles bind with the chemicals to form slightly larger particles. Common chemicals used in this step include specific types of salts, aluminium, or iron. And the next step in water treatment is flocculation. Flocculation follows the coagulation step. Flocculation is the gentle mixing of the water to form larger, heavier particles called flocks. Often, water treatment plant will add additional chemicals during this step to help the flocks form. And the next step is sedimentation. Sedimentation is one of the steps water treatment plants use to separate out solids from the water. During sedimentation, flocks settle to the bottom of the water because they are heavier than water. And the next step is filtration. Once the flocks are settled to the bottom of the water, the clear water on top is filtered to separate additional solids from the water. During filtration, the clear water passes through filters that have different pores, sizes, and are of different materials such as sand, gravel, and charcoal. These filters remove dissolved particles and germs such as dust, chemicals, parasites, bacteria, and viruses. Activated carbon filters also remove any bad odors. Water treatment plants can use a process called ultrafiltration in addition to or instead of traditional filtration. During ultrafiltration, the water goes through a filter membrane with a very small pores. This filter only takes water and other small molecules such as salts and tiny charged molecules. Reverse osmosis is another filtration method that removes additional particles from water. Water treatment plants often use reverse osmosis when treating recycled water, also called reused water or salt water for treating. And the last step in this model is disinfection. After the water has been filtered, water treatment plants may need one or more chemical disinfectants such as chlorine, chloramine, or chlorine dioxide or kill any remaining parasites, bacteria, or viruses. To help keep water safe as it travels to homes and businesses, water treatment plant will make sure the water has low levels of the chemical disinfectant when it leaves the treatment plant. The remaining disinfectant kills germs living in the pipes in the water treatment plant and your tap. In addition to instead of adding chlorine, chloramine, or chlorine dioxide, water treatment plants can also disinfect water using ultraviolet light or ozone. Ultraviolet light or ozone work well to disinfect water in a treatment plant, but these disinfection methods do not continue like killing germs as water travels through the pipes during the treatment of the plant and tap. One of the method of filtration. Today, I will show you the filtration method. We have 5 steps in water treatment plants. This is the model of filtration of water. That is one of the method of treatment of water. The first step is coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection. Today, I will show you in this model the filtration of water. Right? First of all, what we take. There are 4 chambers, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? There are 4 chambers, and on all the chambers, we have to take in all the chambers. Here we have joined all the or this with a pipe. In all these chambers you have to take cotton, right? Here cotton, take cotton and put cotton in the pipe, these pipes, this. In all the pipes, put cotton here, right? You put cotton in these pipes, 1, 2, 3 and cotton. After that, I will put some gravels and sands to make the filter very effective, right? First of all, I will put some medium-sized gravel. You see here, these are medium-sized gravel. See here, these are medium-sized gravel. I'll put in the first chamber the medium-sized gravel. After that, I'll put something bigger in the previous levels. Can you see? We are putting here something bigger levels than the previous one. You see, something bigger. I am putting these bigger levels. Can you see? We are putting some, after that medium sized levels, after that bigger sized levels on stones. These are levels and we are putting bigger sized levels, right? After that we put some, in the next chamber we put some smaller size levels. After that, we will put some smaller size gravels in the second chamber. You see here, we are putting smaller size gravels in the second chamber. These are smaller size gravels. After that, in the next chamber, we will put some charcoal. You see here, we are putting some charcoal in the next chamber. Right? After that, we will put some sand. Can you see? We are putting sand in the third chamber, smaller fine sand. Also I am putting fine sand here. This is fine sand. After that I put some coarse sand, something more, right? And here in this pipe I will put some cotton again. Here you see, you are putting some cotton on the pipe so that no sand particles can pass through it, right? After that we can use filter paper also to make the water more filtration, right? Here we will see that we put sand particles, coarse sand. This sand is something bigger than the previous one. Now our project is ready. Now it can be used for filtration of water. Now what happens in this filtration of water? The first one, the bigger pebbles are there, right? Bigger pebbles help to filter the water by absorbing the various dust particles. After that, smaller size pebbles are there. Here you see smaller size pebbles. After the smaller size pebbles, also filtered water, something smaller in size, and after that there is sand, smaller pebbles, and sand is there. In this, see here that the water is filtered through the smaller sized pebbles and also through the sand, and water is filtered in this chamber. It also absorbs the dust particles and the various germs, the bacteria, viruses, etc. through these sand and smaller pebbles. After that, it is the coarse sand, that means something bigger in size, and after that it is fine size sand. After that there is charcoal, which absorbs other particles which are harmful for water. Now I will show you how the water is filtered in this process, and filtration is one of the process of water treatment, right? Let us see how water is filtered in this model. Now here you see that water filtration is one of the method for water treatment, right? The water filtration is one of the method of water treatment. Before that, there are various methods like coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, and the last treatment of water is disinfection, right? We've already explained it. Now, if we put water here in the first chamber, let us see how the water is filtered in this here. This is the contaminated water we have taken, right? And if we put water here, and you see how the water is filtered in this chamber. Here you see that water is filtered here and comes to the second chamber. After second chamber, it goes to the third chamber. In the third chamber, there is fine sand, coarse sand, fine sand, and charcoal, which also filtered. And in the last chamber, you will find that filtered water, and you will see that filtered water, and this model is very efficient. And you will see that in the last chamber you will find very fine and filtered water, which is suitable for our various purposes. And here you can see that in the last chamber water is filtered drop by drop. You see here. If we see it clearly, that in the last chamber, water is filtered and coming out drop by drop. You see here? And we are getting a very good filtered water in this system. You see here? And water is very suitable for using different purposes. But this water is not suitable for drinking because it needs one step more, that is disinfection method, in which chloramine is added to kill the different types of germs, viruses, and parasites. After that, water is suitable for drinking. You see, and this model is a effective model for filtration of water. Right, here you see that the water we are getting is fine water and it is filtered drop by drop. You see here. And this is a good model for filtration of water, right? Water is filtered in the first chamber, it goes to second chamber, it is filtered in the second chamber, it goes to a third chamber, and from third chamber it is filtered and we are getting fine water in the fourth chamber. This is the model for filtration of water, and filtration is one of the method for water treatment, right? We know in water treatment there are actually five systems. The first one is coagulation, the second one is percolation, the third one is sedimentation, fourth one is filtration, and the fifth one is disinfection. And this is one of the method of filtration, how filtration occurs in this model you see here, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.